Afternoon. This is Bob from Trade Genius. It's the 12th of May, Thursday, and very interesting day in the market. Overnight when I woke up early, it was up, and I'm like, oh wow. And then by the end of the European session, the market was crashing, and I'm like, oh wow again. And then it ended the day pretty much where it opened, and so where does that leave us? It leaves us in a pretty good indecision area. And on the futures chart, there's a point of control, 6 months worth of volume, and we're sitting right at it. And we're also inside of a triangle, and we also still have a head and shoulders pattern that looks like it's trying to reject, but it's also a bear flag. So who the heck knows? But looking at my my charts here and what I see going through, excuse me, what I see going forward is that Thursday before OPEX is typically a low. OPEX is generally positive, and we had a bounce today after Europe closed, which is a good sign that the normal events are occurring, and we'll see if we get a follow through. Looking at my signals is that we have momentum looking like it's trying to re-energize. Intensity is still falling. I would love for it to have a little bit lower movement here so that it's totally recharged too. And the direction indicators and the my call credit confirmation is such that it's saying, hey, we're indecisive here. So, but saying that is that if we get a crossover of this tomorrow, I'm likely to buy a put spread on it for next Friday. I closed my call spreads out. Beautiful. I mean, almost full profit on those, and I just put those on just on what's today, Thursday. I put them on Tuesday, so they usually don't work out that well that fast. And I also I bought XIV today too. I wasn't planning on it this early, but it the market turned and we just had a heck of a pop. I trade XIV on the hourly, so let me bring that chart up. And we had a turn right when Europe closed, and I actually put a buy stop in, and it tagged it by a penny. I was so ticked, and then it rolled down another 40 cents, but I wasn't too worried because I just knew that we were going to get a reversal today. So I'm just about done with stops. Every time I put a stop in, it tags it. There must be no real volume out there that the brokers and the market makers can just go in there and grab your positions and then just go wherever they were going to go anyway. So I'm just gonna in the future just buy it when I'm ready to buy it and be done with it. But looking at XIV, you got to forget these last three candles here because we're starting to get into the after hours time here. But it's pushed up. It was still in a buy mode. I kept XIV overnight, and gonna see what tomorrow brings. Typically, after a reversal, Friday should be flattish to up, and so I just kept it overnight to see if that trend continues of them selling out volatility as the traders close positions going into the weekend. So going into next week, we'll see. It's an up week. That's why I'm comfortable putting the put spreads on. So that's what I'm looking at right now. And until the market breaks this, going back to SPY here real fast, till the market goes and breaks this trend line down with where the neckline is that I just think we really just can't get really short. They're still trying to buy it back up, and since we had a swing low on Friday, I think we have to respect that position. So that's kind of where I'm at. I'm looking for us to push up again. We'll see what next week brings. If it gets over, this high again on the 11th, we're going higher. If it gets below 204, we're going lower. I think it's as simple as that. And I wouldn't be surprised tomorrow if we stayed right within this within these two bands, and next week let the fireworks begin. But at any rate, pretty soon we're going to get a big move. It says everything's condensing down again into a point of this triangle, and the direction was up from that triangle coming into the triangle, so it should continue higher. But we'll see. Until the head and shoulders broken, it's still a possibility we break down, but we have a swing low, so it's a possibility we break up. Nothing's ever easy, but I'm just going to play it day by day. Have a great night. I'll try to pinpoint some stocks later on another video, and catch you all tomorrow. Bye bye.